Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School.
Cheers as they march with pride and purpose, embodying the true spirit of Sports Day.
Ladies and gentlemen, students and staff, welcome to this vibrant celebration of teamwork, discipline and sportsmanship. Today we witness a proud tradition of our school, the March Past, a discipline of unity, pride and the competitive spirit that makes sports so special.
The March Past is not just a parade, it is a symbol of discipline, dedication and team spirit. Each house has worked tirelessly to prepare for this moment, showcasing their unique identity and commitment. Let's celebrate their hard work and cheer them on as they march with pride. As they make their way to the ground, let us welcome our houses with enthusiasm.
Today, we witness a grand display of unity, pride and school spirit. As we kick off the March Past, each house, dressed in their distinctive colors, will march proudly to the rhythm of teamwork, showcasing the dedication and effort they have put into this event. So let's begin with the vibrant color of our houses.
First, we welcome the vibrant Saffron House, radiating energy, courage and enthusiasm. Their energy and confidence are unmatched, and today they step forward with pride to show that what true passion looks like.
Now, let's welcome Saffron House, marching forward with pride and unity.
Here they come, ladies and gentlemen, with pride and purpose, the vibrant and energetic Saffron House.
Now it's time for the Guard of Honor. We request all our dignitaries to escort on the Guard of Honor to move on the field. So I request our esteemed Founder and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, our respected Co-Founder and Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Mohammad Salman sir, the Branch Director, respected Ismail sir, along with our Branch Director of Chandulal Baradari Branch, Ms. Naushin Zahid ma'am, and our respected Branch Director of Khilwat, Mr. Mohammad Ayub sir, and respected Director of the Santosh Nagar Branch, Mr. Mohammad Irfan sir. Our captains are ready on the field to receive our dignitaries to escort in the field. We request all the respected dignitaries to join the Guard of Honor along with our guest of the day and our honorable chief guest, Ms. Aisha ma'am, to join the Guard of Honor. It's a privilege and honor to have our esteemed chief guest along with us today on this auspicious occasion of Sports Day.
As we prepare to begin our Sports Day, it is a moment of pride and honor to welcome our esteemed chief guest and school dignitaries with the Grand Guard of Honor. This formal gesture signifies respect, unity, and the spirit of leadership that defines our institution.
The Guard of Honor will be presented by our four prestigious houses, each representing excellence and determination.
Saffron House, representing courage and saffron, will lead the way under the leadership of our school president, Sugra Fatima, accompanied by House Captain Shireen Fatima and Vice Captain Sayyida Shafia Konan.
Following them is the White House, symbolizing purity and peace, led by our school Vice President Tasmia Chaudhary, along with House Captain Mehraj Khan and Vice Captain Mehvin Fatima.
Next, we have the Blue House, embodying the spirit of perseverance and loyalty, guided by our school captain Afza Arsheen Khan, along with the house captain Husna Fatima and vice captain Umme Kulsum.
Lastly, the greenhouse, representing growth and harmony, will complete the guard of honor under the leadership of our school vice captain Asma Sheikh, joined by house captain Maha Amira and vice captain Juwaria Siraj.
As our houses take their position, let us all rise the honor and present of our dignitaries and celebrate the spirit of teamwork and unity that this event represents together. Let us make this a moment of remember.
Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad.
Now it's time for the flag hoisting ceremony by our esteemed founder and chief executive officer, leading all the other dignitaries, our co-founders, sir, and our branch directors, Mr. Mohammad Ismail, sir, and Mr. Mohammad Irfan, sir, along with our esteemed lady director, Ms. Nausheen Zahid ma'am, with our all honorable chief guests. It's a great moment and a privilege to see the flag hoisting ceremony on the field with our champions, and the pigeons flying in the air witnesses the high value of Hyderabad International School.
Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School. तालिबे इल्म है प्यारे प्यारे यहाँ, अहले दानिश उस्ताद सारे यहाँ। तालिबे इल्म है प्यारे प्यारे यहाँ, अहले दानिश उस्ताद सारे यहाँ। है ज़मीं पर
School Chadarghat branch to witness the flag hoisting ceremony of Hyderabad International School. Now the ceremony has been completed along with all the dignitaries and our captains and our vice captain, all our house captains are ready to bring with a due respect our dignitaries to the stage for the opening ceremony of the day.
We are deeply privileged to have our esteemed dignitaries with us, who will now perform this honorable task. As they proceed,
Thank you, sir, for adding grace and dignity to this occasion. Your unwavering support motivates us to strive for even greater heights.
Dear parents, we have completed our Guard of Honor and the flag hoisting ceremony wonderfully with our respected dignitaries. Now it's time to escort the field with our another segment. Here our saffron house, blue house, green house and white house is ready with the captains and the vice captains to proceed further. It's a delightful moment and a pride moment for Hyderabad International School Chadarghat branch, bringing our dignitaries with a flat march past. We welcome you all here on the panel. We have our respected founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, our esteemed co-founder and chief operating officer, Mr. Mohammad Salman sir, and our respected pillars of the HIS group of schools, our branch director of Chadarghat, Mr. Mohammad Ismail sir, leading with our respected branch director of Santosh Nagar branch, Mr. Mohammad Irfan sir, and our powerful lady director of Chandawal Baradari branch, Miss Naushin Zahid ma'am, along with our honorable chief guests. We welcome you all, sir, for the opening ceremony of the sports day. Please have the token of honor and accept it. Bless us for the successful day of this auspicious occasion 2024 Annual Sports Day of Hyderabad International School, Chadarghat branch. Thank you, students. Now, dear parents, you all can see our captains of all the houses are moving ahead to join their groups. Now it's time to see our captains joining their respected groups and leading the march past ceremony with their full energy, which showcases the discipline, ethical values of Hyderabad International School. Students, really we are proud of you all for showcasing the discipline culture of our organization.
As they make their way to the ground, let us welcome our horses with enthusiasm. Today we witness a grand display of unity, pride and school spirit as we kick off the march past, each house dressed in their distinctive colors with march past proudly to the rhythm of teamwork, showcasing the dedication and effort they have put into this event. Let's begin with the vibrant colors of our houses.
First, we welcome the vibrant Saffron House, radiating energy, courage and enthusiasm. Their energy and confidence are unmatched. And today, we step forward with pride to show that true passion looks like.
Now let's welcome Saffron House marching forward with pride and unity.
Here now begins on the drum beat. Our first house leading the field will be the Saffron House with the head captain of Saffron House.
Now let's welcome Saffron House marching forward with pride and unity. Here they come, ladies and gentlemen, with pride and purpose. The vibrant and energetic Saffron House.
It is ready to escort on the field with forwarding march past.
Here are the general instructions. Please do not leave your children alone in the parent seating area. Do not send them to any vendors or the stalls to purchase them alone.
All the performances are broadcasting live, so you can type Hyderabad International School on Instagram and Facebook and share link with your family and friends.
Here they come, ladies and gentlemen, with pride and purpose, the vibrant and energetic Saffron House.
Led by the dynamic school president Sogara Fatima. Their Their march is a testament to the spirit of leadership and unity. Sogura, with her unwavering determination and dedication, sets the tone for what promises to be a spectacular display of discipline and strength.
Right alongside her, we have the determined horse captain Shirin Fatima. Her leadership has been a driving force for Saffron House, inspiring her team to strive for excellence in every aspect of their journey.
And marching in perfect synchronize with them is the equally impressive Vice Captain Sayyida Shafia Konan. Shafia's support and dedications are the pillars that keep Saffron House strong and united. Her contributions are invaluable in guiding this team to victory.
Together, they lead their team of talented and hardworking members, each of whom is contributing their best to ensure that Saffron House remains at the forefront of this spirited competition.
Look at the precision, the synchronization, and the pride on their faces. Their unity and discipline are clearly evident, and they carry the essence of teamwork in every step they take.
Next up, the White House, shining in purity and integrity. White House students lead with grace, embodying fairness and determination in everything they do. Their march represents the excellence they strive for every day.
Up next, we have the graceful and determined White House, marching forward with precision, pride, and a true sense of unity. Leading the charge is the inspiring school vice president, Tasmia Chaudhary, whose strong leadership and commitment are a beacon of guidance for her team.
Supporting her every step of the way is the dedicated house captain Mehraj Khan, known for her tireless efforts and unparalleled enthusiasm.
Joining them is the ever reliable vice captain Mehveen Fatima, whose hard work and determination ensures that every member of the team stays united and focused. Mehveen's contribution are the glue that holds White House together, making them a force to be reckoned with.
Let's give a big round of applause for White House and the Saffron House as they demonstrate what it means to lead with integrity, unity and passion. A truly remarkable performance.
Up next, and now let's hear it for the Blue House, a beacon of calm, wisdom, and perseverance. Blue House represents the power of unity, and their synchronized march shows the power of working together towards a common goal.
At the forefront is our remarkable school captain Afza Arshin Khan, whose leadership and vision inspire everyone she leads.
Right by her side is the passionate and dedicated house captain Husna Fatima. Husna's unwavering energy and commitment have been the backbone of Blue House, motivating her team to strive for greatness in every endeavor.
Adding strength and cohesion to the team is the delegate vice captain Ume Kulsum, whose exceptional teamwork and dedication ensure that Blue House always marches forward as one united force.
Every step taken by the members of Blue House resonates with discipline, unity, and excellence. Their synchronized movements and determined expressions reflect the values they uphold: integrity, hard work, and resilience.
Last but never least, the vibrant greenhouse symbolizing growth, harmony, and resilience. Their dedication to excellence and spirit shines as they take their place, ready to represent all the strength they stand for.
Leading the march is our inspiring school vice captain, Asma Sheikh. Asma's leadership radiates confidence, and her unwavering dedication motivates her team to perform at their best every step of the way.
Completing this exceptional leadership, supporting her at the helm is the dynamic house captain Maha Amira, whose passion and commitment have been the driving force behind Greenhouse achievements.
Completing this exceptional leadership trios is the hardworking and dependable Vice Captain Juwaria Siraj. Juwaria's perseverance and team spirit ensures that every member of Greenhouse marches forward in perfect harmony.
Look at their flawless synchronization and the determination in their stride. Each step reflects the discipline, teamwork, and dedication that Greenhouse stands for.
Let's hear a roaring round of applause for Greenhouse as they march proudly, embodying the spirit of Sports Day with their resilience, unity, and passion for success.
With every step, these girls showcase a blend of grace and grit, proving that they are not only achievers in academics and sports but also icons of discipline and strength.
Their colors represent adding charm to their proud parade.
Don't they look spectacular, everyone?
Let's give them a big round of applause for their remarkable coordination and energy.
Each house contributes its unique strength to our school sports culture, embodying the values that make sports a powerful force for growth and learning. Let's put our hands together and cheer for all the houses as they march with pride and determination. May this spirit carry forward into today's events.
Watch an inspiring display of discipline and unity. The girls have truly set a benchmark for all of us to follow. Once again, let's put our hands together for these outstanding performers who have made this march past an unforgettable.
As the vibrant march past concludes, let us direct our attention to the field where these same exceptional students who just displays impeccable discipline and unity will now continue to captivate us with their energy and coordination in the next segment of our program, Field Exercises. Leading their teams once again, we have our outstanding leaders. For Saffron House, School President Sogra Fatima, House Captain Shirin Fatima, and Vice Captain Sayyida Shafia Qanin.
For White House, School Vice Captain Tasmia Chaudhry, House Captain Miraj Khan, and Vice Captain Mehveen Fatima.
For Blue House, School Captain Afzal Shin Khan, House Captain Husna Fatima, and Vice Captain Ume Kulsum.
And for Green House, School Vice Captain Asma Sheikh, House Captain Maha Amira, and Vice Captain Sayyida Nikat Faika.
Under their leadership, the teams are ready to perform synchronized exercises that showcase not just physical fitness but also the teamwork, focus, and discipline they have cultivated through hard work and dedication.
As they take positions, let us cheer for them with all our hearts, encouraging their efforts and celebrating the spirit of Sports Day.
The students who just impressed us with their discipline and unified march past are now gearing up to showcase their agility, strength, and coordination through a series of captivating field exercises.
Each movement they perform on the field represents the value they stand for: dedication, teamwork, and a commitment to excellence.
As they transition seamlessly from marching with precision to performing synchronized exercises, they remind us the beauty of discipline in both mind and body.
This segment of the program is a celebration of fitness, focus, and the collective spirit that makes every house shines.
Watch closely as they combine energy and harmony, moving as one, demonstrating the power of practice and perseverance.
The exercises you have brought to witness are not just routines, they are a reflection of the teamwork, determination, and the spirit of Sports Day.
These students, led by their talented captains and vice captains, will once again prove why they are the pride of their respective houses.
This is a moment to celebrate not just physical strength, but also the mental discipline that drives these young champions.
With each move, they inspire us to embrace fitness, unity, and the unyielding spirit of determination. So let's continue to cheer them on as they take the field with grace, confidence, and the same passion they displayed during the march past. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we move to a beautiful representation of one of the core values we uphold, unity. With each move, they inspire us to embrace fitness, unity, and the unyielding spirit of determination.
Once again, let's put our hands together for these outstanding performers who have made this march past an unforgettable spectacle.
As we conclude the splendid march past, a moment of significance awaits us. To mark the official commencement to today's events of MP Girls, we have a special ceremony of lighting the wish lanterns, a symbolic act of hope, unite and aspiration for the bright future of our school and its talented students.
To escort our esteemed dignitaries into on the field for this meaningful occasion, I now invite our school's proud leaders. School President Ms. Sogra Fatima, Vice President Tasmia Chaudhary, Captain Afza Afshin Khan, Vice Captain Asma Sheikh. Together, they will guide our distinguished guests to the ceremonial area.
Our esteemed dignitaries, please.
We request now our esteemed founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Muhammad Sadiq sir, our esteemed director of Baradari branch, Ms. Nausheen Zahid ma'am, to please come forward to conclude the ceremony with a surprising moment. Hello? Sport marching. Our students are doing the sport marching on the field. Sport marching increases the strength and flexibility, mobility and coordination. This is the tireless efforts what they were putting since last 2 weeks. Our students have displayed the results today. Now it's time for the surprising moment where we escort our dignitaries, respected founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Muhammad Sadiq sir, our esteemed co-founder and chief operating officer, Mr. Muhammad Salman sir, along with the branch directors of all the pillars of HIS group of schools, our esteemed director of Chadarghat branch, Mr. Muhammad Ismail sir, our respected director of Baradari branch, Ms. Noshin Zayed ma'am, our honorable director of Khalwat branch, Mr. Muhammad Ayub sir, and our respected director of Santosh Nagar branch, Mr. Muhammad Irfan sir, along with our honorable chief guest, Ms. Aisha ma'am, who is our social media influencer and an inspiring personality with us on the field. Here we go for the ceremony and the surprising moment ahead with all our captains, vice captains, and our school captain crew. March Past displays the culture, discipline, teamwork, collaboration, and the ethical values of Hyderabad International School, where our talented students of high school have displayed harmony, discipline, collaboration, and synchronization. These skills are developed in our students. It is just because of the tireless practice of last 2 months. We really appreciate the hard work of the teachers and the entire team behind the March Past who have trained our talented girls so perfectly, elegantly. They have executed each and every step on each and every drum beat.
March Past enhances focus as participants must stay alert. Marching requires strict adherence to rules and timing. It encourages teamwork and unity among participants. It provides opportunities to lead the group, build confidence and leadership abilities. It provides a platform for active involvement in Sports Day.
The March Past is not just a parade, it is a symbol of discipline, dedication, and team spirit. Each house has worked tirelessly to prepare for this moment, showcasing their unique identity and commitment. Let's celebrate their hard work and cheer them on as they march past with pride.
Now, let us begin the awaiting ceremony of the day. Here we have our captain crews, a school president, vice president, and the house members. Leading ahead on the field with our esteemed founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, our esteemed director of the Baradari branch, Ms. Naushin Zayed ma'am, along with our honorable chief guest of the day, Ms. Aisha ma'am. We are thrilled to have our dignitaries in one panel, leading with the forwarding march past, which is the symbol of coordination, collaboration, and synchronization. Dear audience, please give a huge round of applause and hold your breath as we are going to witness the surprising ceremony of the day. All the very best girls, you are doing really wonderful. Your teamwork showcases the discipline, culture of the school. In this panel, we request to join our branch director of Chadarghat, Mr. Muhammad Ismail sir, squatting on the field.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की जहाँ और सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो जमाना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
Our esteemed dignitaries,
आंचल
sports banner,
तेरा रहे माँ रंग बिरंगा, ऊंचा आसमां से वो तेरा तिरंगा, जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे, मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने। रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला, ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बुने। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
These lanterns, as they ascend, carry our collective dreams and prayers for success.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब
Request all the audience to please stand at their places for the respect of the national anthem. Complete gathering at the stadium is requested to stand and to respect the national anthem.
जल जगति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
Watch as our students kneel down together, symbolizing humility and harmony, and wave their hands in unison, sending a powerful message of togetherness and collective strength.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध पिए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक रे हो चक इंडिया 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 कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक रे हो चक इंडिया चक रे हो चक इंडिया
बिना रुके बिना थके दुनिया से लड़ जाऊंगा, बिना रुके बिना थके दुनिया से लड़ जाऊंगा, बड़े बड़े बवंडरों से सीधा मैं टकराऊंगा, ऊंचे हैं पहाड़ बड़े हैं रास्ते फिर भी मैं पार कर जाऊंगा, शायद तब कभी जाकर मैं थोड़ा सा सफल बन जाऊंगा।